I'm going to show you about how to make use of the Facebook Traffic Builder interface. So let's get started. You can see that there are two sections in this interface. One is the enter list grabber details and other one is for the file details. So let's see them one by one. First is your waiting time. This waiting time depends upon the number of accounts you have. You should be aware that a matured Facebook account can only post 20 posts in a single day. So what I suggest you is you can create n number of Facebook accounts and you can give your Facebook accounts detail in this software so that you can make use of different accounts to post number of commands. The waiting time totally depends upon the number of accounts you are giving. If you are going to give less number of accounts, then the waiting time should be very high. If you are going to use many number of accounts, then the waiting time can be less. Make sure that you are giving at least 300 seconds in the waiting time. No matter how many accounts you are adding, the minimum waiting time between the posts should be at least 300 seconds. So next comes the number of groups to post. So it would be better to give number between 10 to 15. You can give the number which you are convenient. Then enter your syntax comment here. So this comment will be posted in different groups. So that's it in the grabber details. So let's come to the open file details section. Here first we will start with the open scrapped FB URLs. So in this you have to select the file which you gave in the previous interface. So that is the file you should select in the open scrapped FB URLs. So next what you have to do is you have to give your Facebook account details. Create a Excel CSV sheet in a format such as it contains the Facebook email address, your password, and then if you are using separate proxy, give your proxy number, your proxy password and your proxy name. So add all these details in a separate sheet and upload that file in the open Facebook accounts list. So if you are not going to use separate proxy and if you are going to depend on system proxy, you have to just enable this option. Let me make it very clear. If you are going to use your system proxy, enable this option and you can just give your Facebook email address and password for the Facebook account list. If you are going to use separate proxy, you have to disable this option and you have to include all your proxy details in this file. I hope you are now very clear about how to make use of the Facebook Traffic Builder interface. This Facebook Traffic Builder will be a very useful tool to bring lot of traffic to your website. Since Facebook is one of the powerful social media, it will definitely bring lot of visitors to your website. So make sure you are using this software to bring lot of visitors to your website and gain more profit. So that is all about this lecture. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I will be always there to help you.